bed on the top. You slide that thing out, and then there'll be a bed up there. That's what those two mats are for. So you can sleep up there, and then that one right there, you pull it out, and it will be another bed.
I want a bed.
I know. Maybe we can do it later on. Take a seat, because we're gonna cruise back to the house. Oh, you want to sleep already? Oh, it's the only time that you'll want to take a nap, huh?
Yeah, because I didn't even sleep in a bus.
Oh, maybe that's how we can get you to take a nap. We just take a nap in the bus.
Ready?
Yeah.
There's like plenty of space for everybody in this bus.
Oh, there's plenty of space in this bus. You're right. I've got Anderson with me. We're doing a local around the neighborhood cruise. I like to drive the buses on Sunday. We have a few at home, so they don't always get driven, so it's nice to crank them up. Just take them around the block, get a little gas, maybe grab a snack. We're gonna go get a boba and some other snacks later, but yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now, just driving around. Anderson's just enjoying the fact that he can jump around in the back of this thing. Kind of a thing you can do in the neighborhood. You wouldn't want to do that in busy streets, you know. Disclaimer, do not do that in busy areas with your children. Just slow around the neighborhood driving. And we're all done. What'd you think of the drive in the 73 automatic high top?
It was 102